Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with CryptoNinjas. My name is Dale, your guide through this vast crypto universe. Mainnet is about to launch its mainnet in a couple of hours now, so if you want to bridge your assets to Mainnet, this is your video. I want to show you step by step how to bridge your asset from EVM chains or Solana to Mainnet and ape into your favorite meme coins, even before the Mainnet token is officially released. Before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more contents like this. Thank you very much. Now, I made this video before the Mon token is even live, so there are going to be a couple of things that's different after it's live. You know what I mean? But I'm going to show you the general way of how to do things both before it's live and after the Mon token is launched. Okay, so now since the Mon token is not live, how do we bridge our asset to the Mainnet chain? Well, actually, the Mainnet chain, Mainnet, has actually been live for a couple of hours now, so you can actually trade on it. But the crazy thing is, you don't have any Mon token, right? So that is why, even though it's live, nobody can trade on it. You don't have the Mon token to pay for the gas fee, right? So the team from Mainnet, they actually came up with this idea where they send a bit of a Mon tokens to different wallets or eligible users, whatever it is, for them to test the chain out before the token is even released, right? And these people, they then transferred their tokens to a bunch more different other people. So now actually there's still a way for you to trade meme coins on Mainnet before the token is out. So how you're going to do that is, first of all, you need to go on X and get some Mainnet gas token, right? So how do you do that? And you're going to have to find several posts that says Mainnet token, giveaway, for example, all right? And there are going to be a bunch of, posts from people who give away like Mainnet token on Mainnet. So you just have to comment your wallet onto their, onto their post, and they're going to give it to you. You have to find a person that actually gives out Mon token, all right? And how you can verify them? Well, just read the comments, and if there are a lot of comments say, hey, thank you, I received my Mon, whatever, then maybe they're legit, right? Just target those posts. I actually did it and I got my Mon token. Okay, that's how you do it generally. There's no other way that you can get Mon token as of right now. Okay, after you have done so, you need to add the Monad Mainnet to your wallet. All right, it can be your MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or OKX wallet, whatever it is. Okay, so just go to docs.monad.xyz, and then which is basically the official documents of Monad, right? And click on add Monad Mainnet to your wallet. So right now, as you can see, I have about 0.1 Monad Mainnet token because I asked around on X, and this is my official account. I have about 10 USDC as well, which I will show you how to bridge right now, okay? So if you want to bridge asset into Monad, there's only one way as of right now. You need to bridge USDC from Solana or from Ethereum, okay, to Monad, all right, to USDC on Monad. So go to portalbridge.com. This is the official bridge by Wormhole, right? That supports the bridge, okay? Connect your, Solana wallet. I'm using Solana, USDC, right? You can choose Ethereum if you want, okay? But only USDC on Ethereum or Solana. You cannot choose Solana. It doesn't work, okay? So just choose USDC on Solana. For example, I have like 498 USDC. And then just connect your Monad Mainnet wallet, this is my wallet, by the way. And then choose the Monad chain, right? So you can click on more and you can choose Monad. Here we go, boom, the chain, and then USDC, all right? Do not connect and choose the Mon token because again, it's not live. Okay, so you cannot bridge. You'll lose your asset if you do so. Okay, so just USDC only. Click on it, USDC, and then click confirm transactions. Yeah, sure. You'll lose a little bit in terms of fees. And then, okay, so I'll unlock my password real quick. Here we go. It should be done. Approve, right? 200 USDC, send. All right, boom, here we go. So 210 USDC, as you can see. Go to the official Monad _eco, and they're going to show you how the day one on-chain trading guide and different tools that you can use, right? Scroll down a little bit, and there are different tools like Dex Screener, which is an aggregator for different token lists, and you also have Define.fi, Gecko Terminal, Bubble Maps. Now within all these four tools, I'm going to choose Define.fi because as of right now, there is only Define that lists the meme token of Monad live on Mainnet. Okay, Define is the only aggregator and platform that has Monad Mainnet tokens. For Dex Screener, for Gecko Terminal, Bubble Maps, they don't have it yet. They are waiting until it's live, right? So if you want to trade it before it's live, then yeah, this is the platform you want. So after you have this one, you can choose, whatever tokens it is that you wanna trade on. Okay, so it can be Gmonad, which has a market cap about $840,000, right? Pretty high, but the all-time high was like 1.7. Or you can trade Anago, Chalk, whatever it is. Let's say that you want to pick the Gmonad token. Again, this is not an endorsement. I have no affiliation with this token. I am not a holder of this token, right? This is just an example, okay? So do not ape in this token if you don't want to, okay? Just an example. So now that you find your favorite token, what do? Okay? Well, then you can just swap, right? So how do you swap? Well, you can swap on the all swap, but for some reason the link is not working, so you have to go to Dior Swap yourself. So this is Dior Swap, the page. Just go to diorswap.finance. You can also choose other DEX. For example, scroll down a little bit. You can choose like Uniswap or PancakeSwap or Curve, Joe, Clobber, Kuru. Okay, any of these DEXs would work. But right now, again, Dior Swap is the only one that you can trade. So now that you have 200 bucks, you can buy this token. How do you do it? Go to that token again, Gmonad, copy the contract, which is this one right here, right? The contract, not the pair, the contract of that token, and then click on paste address, import the Gmod token, understand, import, and then you can purchase, let's say like 10 bucks. And it should go through, boom, here we go. Went through. Okay, that's it. So if you want to do this, make sure they have a lot of these Mainnet tokens beforehand. Okay, now that is how you trade this token before the Mainnet is actually live, right? But at the time of making this video, you actually have like 3 hours left until the platform is live and the token is launched. So if the token is launched, okay, if you want to buy these meme tokens after it's launched, then it's super simple. Just get your tokens on an exchange like Binance, a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap, whatever it is. Just get your tokens there and then bridge it to the Mainnet wallet. And you can use Portal Bridge for that, which I showed you already, or you can withdraw it directly from Binance to Mainnet chain. Simple as that. And then you can do some swapping on PancakeSwap, on GMGN. Actually, GMGN is a good platform, so you can do that there. Yeah, just gonna be a very basic, steps, just like the other chains like Solana or EVM. Okay, do your own research. Do not ape into any of the tokens that I show on the video. Not an endorsement. I don't know how that would turn out. But if you want more guides on how to trade meme coins on Mainnet and what to look out for, let me know. I'll make a video about that. But that's just my general guide about how you can trade Mon token before it's live and after it's live. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more contents like this, and I'll see you in another video. Daily out.